Welcome to the boating adventure. Today's video is slightly unusual in that I'm sending you away from the Boating Adventure channel to another channel to view video 456. You may have noticed that currently the number of subscribers to the Boating Adventure is just over 830, and I'm quite determined to try and increase that number to 1,000 as soon as I can, for no other reason than personal achievement. In order to increase the number of subscribers, one way of doing that is to form some collaborations with other YouTubers who are producing material of a similar vein. And so I've started to do that, and I am collaborating with a friend of mine who has a narrowboat channel. So I know that there are going to be people that are interested in canals and boating in general. He also looks at other things that are closely connected with boating, just like the Boating Adventure. So Alan and I got together, not just by phone or on YouTube, but we actually met, and I took him out on the Swamp Duck for the day, and so he has made his version of the video of the day. And so I'm sending you to his channel to see video 456.
So what you're about to see is an amalgam of various different days filming in the first 2 weeks of April. This will involve looking at stock planks and also other milestone markers that I've found. But more particularly, it will include meeting another Alan. That's Alan of the Boating Adventure, who has a small cruiser boat. He's moored in a different marina on the Ashby Canal, and he came over to see me. It's the first time we've met together like that. I've seen him around now and again. But he very kindly came over to visit, and I did a little bit of cruising on his boat, and you will see some of that interspersed with this video, and I hope you enjoy that.
If you are watching this on a mobile phone, then it's easy for me to direct you to the link to video 456. So if you find the Posts tab, which is the last one above the channel trailer, then just click on Posts, and it will take you to the link to that video 456. So you just need to press that, and there it will start. If you're watching on the television, then you need to search for My Narrowboat and Heritage Ventures. There you will find video 456, and it's entitled Alan Swaps His Narrowboat for a Cabin Cruiser. If you've enjoyed the video 456, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Alan's channel, and then we will both benefit from this joint collaboration. My next video will be a video of me taking the Swamp Duck out myself and using the new camera equipment and the new laptop that I have purchased to improve the quality of the videos. So I'd like to thank you for your continued support for the channel. Thank you very much, and as always, do take care.